Well, hello, my old friend. How very wonderful to see you again. And I'm sure this probably isn't quite the time or the place, but what did you do to your face? I mean, what? With the eyes. You look like everything's a total surprise, like a hyper little hunting dog about to give chase. What did you do to your face? And your nose is so small now, so teeny tiny, how do you breathe at all? And your lips, balloons, overinflated like a pair of pontoons. You look weird. You look good. You don't look anything like anyone should, except for people from Los Angeles and deep outer space. What did you do to your face? And you've smoothed your brow. You got it flatter than Nevada somehow, and your chin's tucked in. So tight your boobs go up whenever you grin. Oh, you're right, I'm a jerk. If you don't mind my asking, who did the work? Do you think there's any chance that they'd consider my case? What did you do to your face? Was it expensive? What did you do to your face? And was it painful? What did you do to your face? Would you go with me? What did you do to your face? Hey, where you going? Was it something I said?